Okay, so I'm going to work out number 1 of the independent practice from lesson 1.4. Okay, so I need to find an equation in slope-intercept form of a line that satisfies this condition. It needs to pass through -1, 3, and is parallel to x plus 4y equals -4. So the first equation that it gives you, okay, is x plus 4y equals -4. We need to find the slope from here so we can gather the information. So how do we find slope? We have to put it, this is in standard form, so I need to put it into slope-intercept form. Okay, so how do I do that? First, I need to isolate y. So I need to subtract 4 from both sides. So we have 4y equals -x minus 4. We need to put it in the same way that this is written. So you can see that the x term is first, and then the number. And then we're going to go ahead and divide by 4. Divide each term by 4. And so we end up with y equals, there is an understood 1 here. There's an understood 1 here, so we can break that fraction apart so it becomes -1 over 4 x minus 1. As -4 divided by 4 is -1. Okay, so now we have identified our slope of the first equation that's given, which is m equals -1/4. Now, after we've done that, the second line needs to be parallel to this. Parallel, so that means our slope is going to be the same. So you can go ahead and bring that down, and then it's going to go through the point -1, 3. So I'm going to put that into my slope-intercept form, like that. So we have x and y here, so we can put 3 equals -1/4 times -1 plus b. 3 equals -1/4 times -1 is 1/4 plus b. Now, let's go ahead and subtract 1/4 from both sides. So you end up with 3 minus 1/4 equals b. Okay, I'm going to make this into a fraction, and so what do I need for the denominator to become 4? I need to multiply the top and the bottom by 4. We have 12 over 4. Okay, so that is subtraction right here. Minus 1/4 equals b. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So we had m equals -1/4, and from here we had 12/4 minus 1/4. 12/4 minus 1/4 equaling b. So we have 11/4 equaling b. So now that we have both of the information that we need, we can find our second equation, our final answer. So y equals -1/4 x plus 11/4. So that's our final answer. Okay? Good job.